Long, complicated URLs are hard to remember, difficult to share, and offer very little control over what happens after someone clicks. With Lnkk.it, you can turn any long URL into a clean, short link and generate a professional QR code at the same time. From your Lnkk.it dashboard, open Link Shortener. Here, you can manage your short links, view total clicks, and quickly create new links. To create a short link, click the Shorten a Link button. Then enter the URL you want to share. Lnkk.it can automatically fetch the page information, and you can also give your link a custom title. If you want more control over your long, messy link, create your own custom alias. Instead of a random code, you can use something memorable, like AI assistant or campaign, or anything else. It's completely. You can also choose which domain you want to use for your short link. With a connected domain, your link can use your own branded domain instead of the default Lnkk.it domain. And if the link should only work for a limited time period, you can set an expiration date. Once the date is reached, the link can automatically be deactivated. When everything is ready, click Create Link. Lnkk.it instantly generates your short link, ready to copy and share. You can copy it with one click and use it anywhere. Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, email, websites, ads. Lnkk.it goes beyond short links. You can also create a QR code for your link. Click the Shorten a Link button again, switch to the QR code tab, and Lnkk.it will show you a live preview as you customize the design. You can choose different patterns and corner styles, change the QR colors, add a gradient, and customize the background. You can even add your brand logo or a center element to make the QR code match your brand. For example, in the destination URL, add the link, choose the brand color, add your logo in the center, and choose a frame with a clear call to action. This is especially useful for businesses, creators, and marketers who want their QR code to look professional instead of using a generic black and white code. Before downloading, always check the preview and make sure the QR code remains easy to scan. Once your design is ready, click Download. Here, you can download your QRs in PNG format, JPG format, and SVG format. You can then use the QR code on posters, flyers, business cards, packaging, presentations, social media graphics, and more. And because the QR code points to your Lnkk.it short links, you can keep the destination flexible while still using the same QR code. Now, this is where short links become more powerful. Lnkk.it can help you understand how your links are performing. Instead of simply sharing a URL and wondering whether anyone clicked it, you can open Link Analytics and view the performance of your link. You can see total clicks, your top performing links, and click activity over time. This gives creators, businesses, and marketers useful insight into which links are getting attention. If you want your short links to be even more branded, Lnkk.it also support custom domains. Go to Connect a Domain and add your domain. Once it is connected, you can use that branded domain when creating your short links. This is perfect for businesses that want every shared link to stay consistent with their brand. And that's how easy it is to create short links and branded QR codes with Lnkk.it. You can shorten your URLs, customize them, create professional QR codes, share them anywhere, and track how they perform all from one dashboard. If you're a creator, business, or marketer, start using Lnkk.it to turn every link into a smarter, more trackable experience.